Good evening, ma'am. My name is Siti Fatima Zahra with students number 24221221184, and I'm from class C. Now, without further ado, I'm going to find the score first. Okay. So we're gonna copy this with CTRL-C, so it will be quicker, and CTRL-V for the paste, and then you'll go to the data column. There's home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, and data. You'll go to data for now, and now you'll go to advanced, copy to another location, and unique codes only to remove any duplicates. And after that, you go right here, remove duplicates, and you click, and this to remove any other duplicates that are remain right there, and then you click remove duplicates. Colombian, okay. Then you're going to move it to the score section. To search frequency, dengan countIF, pencet 2 kali, blok yang ini A, terus koma, dan ini. Dan tutup kurung, enter. Drag with this smaller arrow, and you'll find the frequency right there. Okay, now to search this one, this is XF. So how do you search this? Okay, so first of all, you're gonna do right here. And cari tanda bintang shift dan dikali dengan ini, tanda bintang itu dikali frekuensi ini sama dengan, dan tarik lagi seperti tadi yang frekuensi dengan tanda yang kecil. And then you're done. Okay, now so we're going to search the sum. So for the sum, you go right here and sama dengan equals, and then you'll type sum right here, and you block from right here, top to the bottom, and then you shift and then enter, and drag it so we can see the other results of the sum of the frequency and XF, and you're done. Next one is we're gonna find the mean. So for this, we're gonna do this first, as usual, sama dengan XF dibagi dengan ini frequency. I'm sorry, I'm missing here. And enter. Dan sisakan 2 angka di belakang. Agak terlalu banyak. Okay, ini salah. Okay. Okay, so for this, so you're gonna go to equals, and then you go to score, and you're gonna be dikurangin ini hasil dari ini, and for the score for it to be one getting way, you put $sign, so the result won't be really a mess, and those big numbers that you don't want, and then you'll go enter, and you can just drag it right here with a smaller arrow, and drag this sum result for this too. Okay, so as for to search the x min kuadrat, so we're gonna do sama dengan, and we're just gonna do this simply. Okay, so x min 2, x min yang pertama ini, nah habis itu dikali lagi, pencet lagi ini, and so on, and drag it just like the others, and delete the numbers. I'm not gonna do that later. Delete the numbers that are sisakan 2 nomor karena kebanyakan is unnecessary. Okay, so don't forget for the x min quadrat to find the sum too. You go drag it like as usual, like this. We're going to search the frequency x min quadrat. So now we're going to search it like this. So as usual equals, and then you go to frequency, and then you go to divide it kali ini, kali x min quadrat, dan habis itu enter, and then you drag it just like usual like this. And don't forget to find the sum too. Okay, sisakan saja ini 4 angka. Okay, that's enough. Then you'll go here. Now we're going to search the median. We're going to search the median right now. So as usual, equals, and then so you're gonna find the. Okay, so the data has like 65. We have 65 data, as you guys can see right here. 65 data. Let me scroll down. 65 data of all of these. And so what we're gonna do now is kita bagi 65 dibagi 2, jadi hasil itu 32,5. Dan sekarang kita akan mencari apa ini? Oke, skor terdekat mana yang 32 yang terdekat dengan 30,5 dengan melihat sumnya. So how do you find for the sum? So it's actually easy. For the sum, you're gonna block right here with take cursor. So 5. Oh, not this one. This one. So as we can see, the sum is not near the 32.5. So we're gonna take this sixth one, which is this 32,5, and then we're going to put the equals, and then equals click this one. We don't click this one, and then you're gonna number this one again, and you're gonna put a bracket right here, right there, and then dibagi 2. So we found that it's actually right. The mode. First of all, you're gonna take a look at the frequency. Take a look at the frequency. Which one is the biggest number right here? 12. So, jadi yang paling sering muncul itu 12 kali, apa itu? Dan itu adalah 132. Dan kita mode itu adalah yang paling sering muncul dan kita tulis 132 di sini. Okay? And that's how you find mode. Oh, and now we're going to sort the smallest to the largest for the score section. In order to it to be more simply. Okay, so to count it more simply. So I'm gonna block this until the 163, and now we're going to go to sort and filter and choose sort smallest to largest, and continue with the current selection and then sort. And range, we're going to the largest score and then equals the largest score, and we're going to mengurangi ini dengan the smallest score up here, and that's how you search range. So for the quartile one, we're going to search it like this. Equals, as usual. 1 per 4. Terus dikali. Tanda kurung. 65 tambah 1. And quartile 2 is 1 per 2. Tanda kurung. Oh, dikali. 1 per 2. Dikali. Terus tanda kurung. 65 tambah 1 lagi. Dengan wait. Oh, the equals. I forgot. Choose equals. Enter 33. And for the quartile 3, you're gonna search. You're gonna type 3 per 4. Dikali. And then tanda kurung. 65 tambah 1. Akan datanya 65 ya. Terus tambah 1. Tengah-tengah. Oke, equals. Equals in di awal. Equals di awal. Teman-teman, 49,5. That's how you search for it. I'm going to search the quartile one. So the closest to the sum is right here. We are going to search it from frequency. The closest to 16.5 is 17. And the second lands on this number. And so we're going to do the this ones. We're going to do this. Ditambah lagi dan kasih bracket dan dibagi 2. And then we have it. It's the same, right? And so we're going now to find the sum of the 33, which is the closest of 33. Okay, we're going to find it from the frequency again. Which one is the closest to 33? Okay, we can see here is the closest to 33 is 137. 137. So 137 right here, okay? Equals 137. 137. Ditambah lagi. 137. And then we're going to go here, right here. Dan dibagi 2 lagi. So dengan, and we have it. And then for quartile 3, we're going to find the closest to 49.5. So the closest to 49.5, we're going to search it for the frequency also. 49.5. So the closest to 49.5 is 143. 143, we're going to equal, and then bracket, very easier, 143, and then you're gonna add that in 143, and then you're going to close the bracket, and then bagi 2, dan hasilnya sama dengan 143. So to find the into quartile, we're going to do this equals, and then ini dikurangin 125 sama dengan 16. So to search variance, how did come to this? Okay, so tadi sini rumusnya. So we're going to membagi x min 2, x min kuadrat dengan hasil frekuensi dan kurangi 1. Oke, ini. Dan bagi tanda kurung frekuensi kurangi 1. Sure. That's how you do variance. And for standard deviation, you're going to do this. Sama dengan SQRT, terus kalau sudah ini pencet 2 kali, SQRT, and then you click variance, and tanda kurung, share, dan enter. That's how you search standard deviation. Okay, now, it's time for the last one. Okay, now, so we're going to search polygon. So, I was on the insert page already, so we're gonna go begin to our home page, and then you go to insert, and then you're gonna want to block underscore with frequency, but only to this part. Jangan block sumnya. We don't want that. We don't need that data. So we're going to go to recommended charts and choose this one, scatter, and then you're done. Drag it to the wherever you want. I personally want to put it here. And then you're done. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.